Hello. It's not every day that you see someone, start an unboxing video while having a muffin, banana muffins. I love banana muffins, but that's beside the point. Okay, so today I have an interesting item. It's the Logitech G613 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. So I was at PAX 3 weeks ago and I happened to pick this up, and I haven't opened it until today. So I thought today would be a good time to open it for everyone of you to see. So this keyboard came around this time last year, probably in around August, and it was priced at 150 US, and right now it's around 100 US as of last I checked. So this keyboard comes with light speed and Bluetooth. Light speed for super fast 1 millisecond report rate or connect to multiple devices. And it has Roma G tactile, delivers 25% faster keystrokes and are quieter than standard mechanical switches. And 6 programmable G keys. And from the looks of the picture here, there are some media buttons. I'm not sure why, I don't know if you can see this, but the media button, the stop button is square. So for this unboxing, I'm going to use my trustworthy kitchen knife because all other knives are too mainstream. And here's the Logitech G613 in all its glory. Let's have a look at what else is in the box. Some papers and some accessories. Putting that aside, it looks to me like a phone stand with the Logitech gaming logo, and then extend a USB cable for the USB receiver to get the receiver as close as possible to the wireless keyboard. Alright, taking off the plastic, here's the keyboard. And there you have that square button that I talked about earlier. I find it funny how the other buttons are in uniform shape except this one right in the middle. Maybe it's just me. Anyway, there's a switch to toggle your gaming mode, light speed or wireless button, and Bluetooth button. So to power up, just flip up the cover and pull the tab to connect the batteries. Here you have the USB receiver nicely tucked in the battery compartment. A perfect place to keep your receiver if, for example, you're going to a friend's place for a gaming session and not having to bring it separately. Power on the keyboard, and yep, light speed and Bluetooth seems to be working. I really like that they provided a phone stand, especially for the fact that I could simply switch between my PC and the phone quickly. Nice going, Logitech. Let's try connecting to Bluetooth, and there it is. Okay, so trying 080757, enter, and here's a typing test. Oh, and this keyboard comes with 18 months of battery life. Given that it has no RGB or backlit, I reckon that it probably would last that long. However, it would be nice if they included a rechargeable battery with a micro USB or a USB-C cable. That'd be a nice addition. So there you have it. That is my unboxing and shallow testing of the Logitech G613. What do you guys think? Would you consider buying a wireless gaming mechanical keyboard? Let me know in the comments below. I've also included some Amazon links in the description if you guys are considering to purchase. Anyway, if you like this, then drop a like, subscribe to see more videos like this coming up. Thanks for hanging around, and I'll see you guys in the next one.